that is back where we're going. We're going to walk kind of down around here, down through the creek bed, and then up and along that cliff face is where all the ruins are. A few other things now. Back when these people were in these cliff dwellings in this area from about 1100, the years 1100 through about 1600, late 1500s, early 1600s. So 450 years or so, they were here. They estimate there could have been as many as 2,000 people living in this area. But this was their constant original spring-fed water source. One other thing I like to point out, one of my favorite trees anywhere around Sedona is this absolute monster right here. Does anyone know what this is?
Alligator.
Yes, so alligator juniper. But they age this tree to between 800 and 1,000 years old.
Wow.
Also meaning this tree was growing right here alongside of a creek when these people were living in these cliff dwellings. Pretty wild.
It must be pollinating because I just saw, there wasn't much wind, but I just saw a bunch of...
I saw that too.
It is, and this last week has been hell on me. All right, now this is pretty much where the site kind of starts. Your big grand room is going to be right in here. These are the first couple remnants up here of some old walls that are being built, that were built up the side. Many of these walls that you're looking at here would have gone all the way up. They think the ceiling was somewhere up about there. So these walls were another 2 to 3 times as high as they are now, multiple levels going across. They think about 20 to 25 rooms were in this one alcove right here all by itself. Agave roots and things like that. But typically all of this stuff, all this black stuff that you're seeing up here is just fires from light. A woman was just asking me about what they call the ghost. It kind of looks like a ghost type of figure.
Sure.
And you can also see some writing right here. Now again, you're going to see a bunch of it as we go down here. The Forest Service, bless you, considers this writing, it's not native, obviously, but they still consider it historic. What they call it is historic graffiti.
Yeah.
That stuff was not done by the natives, but it was done over 100 years ago. That was stuff that was done in the late 1800s, early 1900s by the early settlers in this area.
So those are those
Yes,
knockouts.
so that's where cross members would have gone through. Yeah. Here you start to see a whole bunch of drawings, especially a number of different animal drawings on here. Human figure, another what was likely a clan symbol or some sort. Again, the most perfect circle. You can see obviously a whole bunch of these here. There's a whole bunch of drawings under this overhang here too. You all know what bubblegum is? Oh yeah. Flute player.
Oh.
So that's a person leaning back with a long ponytail playing a flute. And that's what many people believe is one of the original Bubblegum drawings.
Wow.